We're going to start with a brain stretch. The students in our class just left their room to go to lunch. What did they forget to do? You are right, they forgot to put their supplies back in their supply bin before they went to lunch. We're going to shift from rhyming words to beginning sounds. I don't want the letter name, but I want to know the sound you hear at the beginning of these words. Mitten. Did you say sock? Did you say s? Kite. Did you say k? Pig. Did you say p? Foot. Did you say f? Gum. Did you say g? Leaf. Did you say leaf? I'm sorry, did you say ol, like we hear in leaf? Nice job. Our new word for this week is like. Say the word with me. Like. Spell the word. L-I-K-E, like. Read the word one more time. I like. What do you like? I like monkeys. This is the end of our day. Now go do the rest of your assignments.